Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has called on politicians and their supporters to shun violence and other acts capable of disrupting the peaceful conduct of the 2023 general elections. The governor made the call recently at the 86th State Executive Council meeting in Government House, AKUGHA, where he stressed the need for peace and tolerance among Bayelsans as they go to the polls next year to elect their political representatives.
At the 86th State Executive Council meeting, Senator Diri had cause to admonish members of his cabinet and other Bayelsans running for elective positions in the 2023 general elections to eschew politics of hate and bitterness. The governor said to avoid another round of electoral violence in the forthcoming elections, politicians must begin to play by the rules of the game.
Play the politics of love. Play the politics according to the rules that guides the game. Let violence, bitterness not be our portion anymore in this state.
At the meeting, Senator Diri assured Bayelsans that his government's plans to beef up security during and after the 2023 general elections were intact. He was optimistic that the Bayelsa Community Safety Corps, which will soon become operational, is expected to provide fair and responsible policing working directly with the communities.
I'm sure that working together with the communities, with the Traditional Rulers Council, and with the people, Bayelsa will become a safe place for investors and a safe place where we can all sleep with our two eyes closed. Commend Bayelsans, and I will continue to do more so that we bring down the rate of crime to ground zero.
In a related development, Senator Diri has promised to continue to build bridges of friendship and unity with sports development in Bayelsa State. The governor made the pledge at a dinner in honor of the state-owned Bayelsa United Football Club, which was recently elevated to the Nigerian Premier League. Bayelsa United made it to the elite Nigerian Professional League after winning last year's FA Cup alongside Bayelsa Queens, who clinched the trophy in the female category of the competition. Chairman of Bayelsa United, Ebiki Timitimi, attributes the rising profile of Bayelsa State to the governor's commitment to sports development.
Your Excellency, it's a thing of joy. We want to really thank you, if not for the support, the moral support, the financial support, all the advices. If not for the support, I don't think we would have made it.
Only recently, schools from Bayelsa State outshone their peers and clinched victory in the 2022 edition of the Milo Basketball Championship. This came after a young Bayelsan, Deborah Quickpen, emerged winner of the Under-10 Africa Youth Chess Championship in Ghana last year. Under the prosperity government of Senator Diri, Bayelsa State has recorded many milestones, which is why the people have continued to roll out the drums in celebration of a new dawn in governance.
Inside the Niger Delta,